There we go. Let's see what these bad boys are like. Two of the best. Also bought some motorcycle socks. I have a pair of Fox socks. And they were about $49 for the pair. These guys, 10. So let's just see how long they actually last. I was kind of crapping myself there. For a little bit because I couldn't see the Bluetooth headsets. And a few blokes sniffing around all the motorbike gear, and I sort of went, oh well, I missed out. Should have got here at 8:30. But no, the girl had them hidden. ALDI Bluetooth headsets. Woohoo! What I'll do is that I will do a full review out on the bikes. We'll do a blockhead style moto vlog with two people. I'll get Sue, who is my friend, out on her bike with her ALDI Bluetooth, and we will compare notes and see if we can actually connect to other decent Bluetooth headsets like the Senna. We'll do a bit of a comparison test, because that's what it's all about. I'm going to start ramping up this channel a little bit more because the weather is getting better. We're coming out of winter. We're able to have these days where I can get out and ride. This has been the first full weekend that I've had off in a long time. I'm not battling with you, homie. You're in a big box of steel. So yes, I'm gonna be doing a lot more. I may have to invest in a new GoPro. Problem is that it all comes down to money. So we'll see what happens. The Hero 3 is doing us well so far, but the battery life in it sucks. I always have problems with batteries with my Hero 3. Ever since I first got it back in 2011 or whenever it was. You can bring me down. I got gas in the tank. I got money in the bank. I got news for you, baby. You're looking at the man. I'm the man. Alright, well, on that note, I'm going to go inside. I don't know about you guys, but is getting up your driveway as hard as this? There'll be no way. I got a little routine that I have when I put it away. And it's got to go in that way, otherwise it doesn't fit. Oh, can fit in there. Beautiful. That's all I ask. Alright, well, let's go inside and open these bad boys up. Alright, well here we are. We made it back with the Motorcycle Bluetooth Kit. Now this one is from Cocoon from ALDI. Now the previous ones I believe were Braun, so we'll see what happens. Now we'll do a bit of an unboxing on one here. Bit of overkill. Here we go. Okay, so it comes with the good old instruction manual. That's handy. We get the quick getting started guide. Here we are here. Warranty certificate, which may come in handy. Alright, now this is nice and neatly packaged for a little $60 Bluetooth unit. Alright, so we've got a little clip of some sort. Got the charger. We've got the speakers and the microphone. This is going to be interesting to fit into the helmet, so hopefully they'll just fit in well. I've got a bell qualifier, and they've already got the spot for the Bluetooth unit, so awesome. We have a charger, so that's handy, and the actual unit itself. So very cool. Small, compact, looks quite simple to use. You've just got your Bluetooth connection, you got your on off, and to answer a call or do whatever you need to do with that. Alright, so that's a quick little unboxing. What do we got here? Oh, more pads. I don't know what this is for. We'll work it out. Oh, that's probably a mounting. Yeah, there we go. That's what the little screwdriver is for. This will be the way to mount it onto the helmet. So just reading between intercoms, there is a 500 meter range, so that's pretty dope. Happy about that. I mean, 500 meter range is great. Normally when we're riding in a group, we're pretty close together. But we'll see how that works out in the full tech review. Alright, I'm going to charge this puppy up so I can actually get to getting. Simple little process, obviously, of a little plug and play. If you get it the right way in, you hear a click, and there is the flashing red light. Simples. Alright, well that there is the unboxing of the Cocoon / ALDI Motorcycle Bluetooth Kit. So yeah guys, thanks a lot for watching, really appreciate it, and thank you for the support. I know that it has been a little while since I've been on here. I am always over on Instagram, so get on over there, have a gander, see what I'm up to over there. I look forward to doing a review on this Bluetooth kit as well. What I'll do is I'll get my friend who has the other ALDI one, and I'll hook myself and her to it. I'll have a little chat and see how it works. Hopefully that 500 meter range on this bad boy will be good. Alright, well thanks a lot guys again for watching. Really appreciate it. Thanks for sticking by. I look forward to seeing you next time. Cheers.
Just run away with my dog.